The Rainbow River, aptly named, is a 5.7 mile long, crystal clear, spring-fed river located about 100 miles north of Tampa Bay, outside of Denellen. At its headwaters is located Rainbow Springs State Park, which we visited for a couple of hours on our trip up Florida's west coast. It is absolutely pristine, and even on a cloudy day, the vibrant colors radiated throughout. We opted for our usual, more immersive approach and rented a canoe to paddle the river. You paddle downstream, which means you must paddle up and against the current on your way back. At the headwaters of the river are the Rainbow Springs, which are fourth in the state in terms of volume of water discharged. There are caves, rock crevices, and smaller springs all throughout the river, which add to the water flow, and the rainbow eventually flows into the Withlacoochee River. Evidence has shown that human beings have inhabited the area directly around the rivers for over 10,000 years.
Here we are, hiding from a nice little afternoon rain shower in Rainbow Springs. It's a beautiful Rainbow River. Very naturally wild and beautiful, and as you're about to see right here on this, very clear.
We saw several freshwater turtles and plenty of fish. The further you go down the river, the more silent and peaceful it becomes. The river maintains its beautiful colors throughout, and there is another exciting feature to explore around every corner. We will definitely be back. Add us on Instagram and feel free to reach out for more tips and other insight.